It is April 26th. Sitting on top of probably 600 gallons of water by the shack and another 600 gallons down here. It sounds like we're going to get some more rain as well, but yeah, well deserved maybe. We certainly needed rain, and I feel blessed that we got some. So yeah, so just walking down the hill here, you'll see we've filled up both the upper and lower IBC, so we're good to go there for some time. And then I've got a lot filled up top as well. I'll be back. Well, this is why we have the sacrifice lane. Water standing here at the edge of the meadow. I'm going to try to circle it. I noticed my rubber boots are compromised. I've got a hole in them, so sorry about the wind. They'll help dry things out a little bit, but yeah, it's not crazy muddy, so that's good. And the cows are looking good. Just go over, check on the water, see how the water's looking, and then go make the move. Yeah, water looks good. All right. Yeah, I'll be back when they start to fall. Spot here in lane 7. It's probably halfway through my my compromised boot. Let some water in. The cows are progressing toward the fresh grass. Hopefully Goggles got a shock from my leg was touching the wire, and when Goggles touched my hand, she got a shock. So we'll change that again. So give it a second, and yeah, you can see we gave them quite a bit. I need to fix some of these posts on the right side. We're going this way. I'm going to give them all the way to the end, so I'm going to open that second line up as well, just in case it's a little soggy. then tomorrow's leaving. So, all right, it's move time. It's move time. Goggles is in. Millie's close second. I'm gonna roll up my cross wire, and I will be back to walk through them as they take advantage of the next smorgasbord of grass here. Wind has died down a little bit. It's always interesting going back and listening to the video with the wind noise. I apologize, but I'm sure you're here to just see what's happening with the land as we take our four cow herd and see if we can multiply that to more. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens to the grass behind us in lanes 1 through 7 and the grass ahead of us in 8 through 16. But yeah, I'm going to go remove this line. Probably tomorrow we'll be out here and we'll see how much grass they take off. Yep. Well, I think that's about it for today. I think we've given them enough for today, and when we come back tomorrow, we'll keep an eye on the rain, see if we have to move them out of this bottom or not. But thanks for watching, and if you could hit that like button on the way out, it helps. And yeah, we'll be back again. Take care. That's the end for today. Thanks for watching. We'll continue to share our journey at Grand Man Ranch.